Hey guys, it is the first day of the Lancer build, and let's get started. So before I get started, I'm gonna go ahead and set up my GoPro, and we can get started. Let's get it on. Okay, some updates here. So I got everything out, including the fuel injector rail, some bolts, sensors pulled out, and I just, for those guys that want to know, to take this out, there's some, I guess there's a bracket where this throttle body will hook to. There's a bracket right in here. It needs to come out. Not too sure if I have to drop the coolant already, because I know the throttle body has this junction block right here. That this line here is coolant, so we'll see what I can do right here for now. Got the intake manifold off. It's pretty dirty. Of course, it'll be all dirty, but so far the valve's not too bad. And I was gonna flip this around, the dipstick, so the new manifold can fit, and see what we can do from there. Here we go. Now I got the Evo X intake manifold installed. The only thing that I know for some of you guys are going to do this is the bottom 3 bolts. That one there, that one there, and that one right there. You probably need to have spacers or shorter bolts. When I tighten them, they only go about that, probably about that far. So I'm probably have to get some bolts or some spacers. Probably spacers would be more better. But other than that, I got no issues so far. Just gotta tighten that up. But yeah, so this is the only video I'm gonna do for today. Just subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.